Howdy again, everybody. Just thought I'd show you, this is the finished cross slide itself. We're not finished yet, but I machined this from the gray block that was had started life as a 1-inch thick, 5-inch by 5-inch roughly, and I cut it on the table saw. I machined the sides to size today, so I finished it at 4 3/4 this way and 4 1/2 this way. And I'll show you the finish here. This is the 3-inch wide cold rolled steel and the 1/8 inch wide by 1/4 inch thick Gibbs stock cold rolled steel. You can see it fits beautifully, and I went ahead and machined this down a little bit so that about 4 thousandths, so that I'll have to use some shim stock here when I put the locking pads on top. So that'll be the next thing, is drilling and tapping this for the locking pads, and then putting Gibbs screws in the side here. I'll probably do that tomorrow. It's getting a little late. But one thing I wanted to point out, if you are making the Gingery Shaper from block instead of castings, you know, all the drawings that Dave Gingery has some awesome drawings in the book. Here again, you know, I've made a copy of the page, and I made notations about what are the finished sizes that I'm going to actually make this to. Just double check all the math. You know, I ended up making the pads a little bit different size. You can see my notes on there, but you gotta think it through and think about how everything's going to fit together. I'll talk more about that in a later video, but again, thanks for watching. I hope this is helpful and interesting to somebody who might be making this project, if they're lucky enough to have some larger size equipment. Alright, take care. I'll keep you posted.